reflect, I find perspective. They're in the best and worst days of this life.
On Saturday the 18th of May at 5 p.m, there's going to be a short talk on apprenticeships here at church. So if you would like to come along and find out more about what opportunities there are regarding apprenticeships in the region, then you can come along and there'll be free refreshments for you. So that's the 18th of May at 5 p.m.
Flames. I don't need to know what the future says.
The Easter break is over, which means that all of our normal youth and children's programmes during the week are back on as usual from this week. So that's Noah's Ark, G-Force and 180. We hope to see you at one of those this week.
With what comes next. For the God I know, He's known for faithfulness.
Due to growing numbers here at Excel Church on a Sunday morning, we're excited to announce that from Sunday the 9th of June we're going to double morning services. So that means you can choose whether you come either to our 9:30 a.m. service or to our 11:45 service. There's going to be a full kids programme at both of them, and it means that hopefully it'll be a little bit easier for you to find a parking space. We want to thank you all for your support during this time, and we're excited to start our double services from Sunday the 9th of June.
And where you call me, I will follow. If the
are meeting this week, and we have groups on Wednesday and Thursday evenings and also on a Friday morning. So if you're not in a group yet, then please speak to one of our leadership team to get yourself in a group, or you can sign up via Exchange as well on our website. That's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more.